Traveling shoes, y'all. Back at you with my nephew. Nephew, guess what, man?
Let it bump.
It's a hard knocks life for us. For us. Hear me now. Hear me now. Check this out. Times got tough. You took a train to Guam, Tokyo, and even Spain. You thought for sure that you had got away. You learn while their sin does not pay. You want the best for your wife and kids to grow up right, but not like you did. Kidnappers, you know they ring your phone, scare your whole family while you're not home. It's not safe anymore with thieves hanging around. They invite themselves in while you're out of town. They help themselves to what they see. Your silver, your gold, and your color TV. You start out looking for someone's help. In this world, you gotta get it yourself, cause
it's a hard knock life.
What is it, nephew?
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
Me?
It's a hard knock
You?
for us.
What?
It's a hard knock
What?
for us.
Who? Kick it, nephew.
Look, what comes around goes around. In the background, man, you heard a real gun sound. You see, I'm sitting here trying to teach the people. Man, I love God, man, I see no evil.
Yeah.
Gotta pay attention to my dream. Like I said in the other rap, making money with my team. You see, I take it from the heart. In the lifestyle, see, you only do my part. See, I got to come around and tell you things that you should know. It's a hard knock life for us. And at the top before this is just us. And I'm trying to tell you, don't trust who you trust.
Huh? It's a what?
Hard knock life.
Hard knock what?
It's a hard knock
For
life.
who?
Us.
You?
Hard knock life.
For me?
Us.
Background sing. Who?
It's a hard knock life
Me?
for us.
You?
Hard knock life for us.
Me and my nephew. I said me and my nephew. It's so sad and it's so crazy. Taking the life of a newborn baby when all he wanted was kisses and hugs. That for his mother to give him drugs. It's so sad. It's so crazy. Taking the life of a newborn baby, but traveling shoes is here. Get out your seat and have no fear. I'm a soul winner for Jesus Christ. Trying to tell folks to do what's right. It's kind of hard cause folks are set